So in this video, I will be explaining several assignments. Well, in particular, the assignments that are due this Saturday on the 12th. So your assignments are in weekly assignments folder, and we are in week 3. So what's due on the 12th is copyright and fair use quiz, Audacity, and scholarly article, and then you of course continuing to work with SAM if you haven't completed SAM assignments within your trial period. So please click on the link for week 3, and I'm just quickly going to address the copyright and fair use assignment. Well, first you have a description of what fair use and copyright and fair use is, and then there's more in-depth information on those two concepts within this folder. So this is a text file, and this is an audio file explaining what copyright and fair use is and why it's important to understand and use this information correctly. After you have read and viewed the file or listened to the file, then you should go ahead and take this quiz, and then this information will actually be applicable in one of your future assignments. So, second assignment that is due on the same date is Audacity and scholarly article. So here's the folder for Audacity and scholarly article. Same thing. It gives you an information on what Audacity is and what the scholarly article is as well. So I'm sure that there's not much need for me to give a in-depth discussion or description of what scholarly articles are. However, Audacity may be technology that you haven't used before. So Audacity is a program or an app that's a free downloadable app. It's a software that will be downloaded from the internet. And within this software, when it's successfully downloaded on your desktop, you're able to use this program to actually create a voice files or audio files. So it's beneficial for just about anyone. Um, and imagine if you have in a business and you want to have like a podcast, things of that nature. So this is a free way for you to do it. So let's click on this folder and see what's happening here. So the first step of this assignment is for you to locate a scholarly article that pertains to the chapter that has been assigned to you, the chapter from the textbook. So down below at the very bottom of this folder, you will see a table with your names on right side and chapter numbers and chapter titles on your left side. And so once you find your name, you know that this is the people you're working with, and this is the chapters that you will be covering. So for this particular assignment, this one right here, Audacity and article, you're doing independent work. So each person within this group will find an article on their own and record their own voice file, right? This is not a group assignment. This one is individual. Okay, so for example, if you have been assigned to Chapter 8, which I believe is on cybersecurity and network security, then that means your job is to find an article that's fairly recent within the last 5 years, because anything after that point is pretty outdated for technology. And you will find a scholarly article. You will make sure that it meets the criteria that is set before you, and the criteria for the article is all here. Okay, and then in case if you questioning or have forgotten and need a refresher on how to successfully locate a scholarly article, you may click into this link right here, and so it's going to give you pretty much like a checklist on the scholarly articles, and then a couple of files. The video file here, which will show you and remind you of a difference between scholarly and popular publications, And this is just a sample scholarly article in a different discipline, in a health-related discipline, just for you to see a sample and how to gauge your own article. So now, if you still need help, or would like to ensure that your scholarly article is correct, here's the list of research librarians at the Shepherd Library at NCCU who will be more than happy to assist you. And their numbers and their emails are listed here, so please contact them if necessary. They'll be able to help you with this project. So now, going back one step. So after you have located your the correct scholarly article, you will now download a Audacity program to your desktop. And here, this video here will show you the steps on how to download and install Audacity. This actual link is the link to the Audacity website where the program exists with the download link. And this particular file will show you how to record your voice file with Audacity. So after exploring and looking at these 3 videos, you will be able to successfully complete this part of the assignment. So within your recording that you will do with Audacity, you will you will record the results of your scholarly article. You will basically tell me about your article. Um, through Audacity. And what you will be talking about is these points right here. So this is the things that you need to capture within your voice recording. So what you will submit to me is 2 things. You will submit a link to the correct scholarly article. Make sure your article is correct. It is scholarly. It addresses the points that I'm asking for. And also make sure that I'm able to open it, that it's not protected by passwords or anything else to prevent me from viewing the article. So this is how you earn half of your grade. And the second half you will earn because you will take this, you will submit a audio file recording link that was done through Audacity regarding your article and was submitted successfully as well. So that will be the end of those 2 assignments. And please watch the second part of this video that's coming up right below, where I will walk you through another assignment.